Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you happen to be new, my name is Dana. I would love for y'all to take the time to subscribe, join the family, that way you can be notified for all of my future uploads. I have been seeing lots of comments that are like, where have you been? I thought you haven't been uploading. So if you're having that issue, please make sure that you've hit that notification bell. I know that's so annoying to hear in every single person's videos, but the amount of DMs that I've gotten that were like, oh, I thought you quit, I haven't seen your uploads. I'm just like, why does YouTube hate me? But anyways, today's video is going to be a haul. Also, if you guys are interested in this look, I know it's a very simple, easy, glowy. It's actually my everyday makeup routine. I'll go ahead and link that. I forget which side it pops up on, but I'll have the little eye tab slide down. That way you guys can check that out. Today is all about Ulta goodies. I actually do have 2 or 3 things from Walmart as well. I actually ordered a majority of these products online, but yesterday was recycle day, so I broke down a lot of the boxes. So before we get into the Ulta stuff, I just wanted to share 4 things that I picked up from Walmart and H-E-B, just in case you're not in the Texas area and you're like, what the hell is H-E-B? It's basically just like the local grocery chain around here. But the other day I was browsing the cosmetic section and came across these guys here. I know these have been out for quite a while, but I don't receive Wet n Wild PR, so I was so excited to finally find these. I believe they were like right under $5 a piece, but they actually had a coupon where if you bought 2 Wet n Wild products, you got $2 off. So these 2 palettes were dirt cheap. I haven't even swatched them yet, but I'm super excited. And I thought it looked very similar to the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, which that is one of my absolute favorite palettes. So inside you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 matte shades, and then 2 kind of shimmer shades. But I really like the layout too. I like the fact that they knew these 2 shades would be like transition shades that we'd probably use the most often. So those are the largest pans. Let's go ahead and swatch some of these. I'm really curious about these 2 shades here. They feel silky. Let's see how they swatch though. Ooh, I really like that one. Let's do this deeper kind of burgundy. Guys, this might be really good. I'm sure so many people have already done tutorials on these, but I haven't watched because I didn't want to spoil it for myself. The shimmer is very, very light and sheer, but we'll have to see how they go on the eyes. Then I got this one, which I think is also similar to one of the Anastasia palettes. I think I don't own too many of those, honestly, although I've really been eyeing the Soft Glam. I know there's lots of shades that are similar to the Modern Renaissance, but still there's so many pretty shades in there that I'm like, I kind of want it. Okay, so this one is called 760 Not a Basic Peach. Oh my gosh, these stickers. Once again, we have lots of those really pretty warm tones. Like this blue, oh no, always backwards, Dana. This blue here would be really pretty, kind of like smudged out on the lower lash line. I want to swatch this shade, this shade. Let's do the blue, and then kind of this like shimmery looking orange. Oh, that salmony kind of pink shimmer is really pretty. But those 2 bottom shades, I'm super stoked. I may end up taking those on spring break with me. We are going to Florida to visit family. We actually leave Saturday, so like what, in 2 days? These are really nice and small and convenient to travel with too. Yay, I'm excited about those. And then from Walmart, I picked up these 2 products here. First up, I got another of the CoverGirl, the Super Sizer Mascara in waterproof, of course, very black. I love this one. The first one I had was actually in some like limited edition black Star Wars packaging. I had used it so much that the name rubbed off. And so whenever I went into the store, I was always looking for a black tube, not realizing that that was like special packaging, but I finally found it. I love this mascara for separating. Obviously, I don't really need it right now since I have lash extensions, but I can still always use it for my lower lashes. And then I finally picked up some of these Flower Beauty sponges. I actually ordered 2 more. I had tried this the last time I went to go visit my friend Laura, and I loved it. This thing gets massive when it's wet. I freaking love it. So you still have like the classic round beauty blender side, but then on this side, you kind of have a slight slant, kind of similar to like the cut that's on the Real Techniques one, except for it's more of like a precise teardrop shape, so it's perfect for the under eyes. I think this was like right under $9, like $8.99, $9, something like that. Okay, now moving on to the products that I got from Ulta. I actually got another pack of these wipes. I love these so much. They are so good. I'm so picky about makeup wipes. I love the thickness of these. I love how soft they are, and they have like the perfect amount of moisture in them. They don't irritate my eyes or my lips whenever I remove liquid lipstick or mascara, so I instantly bought another package of those. So all the other products I picked up are all actually from the same brand, except for this one here. I actually just used this in my previous video. I think this is either my 2nd or 3rd time repurchasing it. It's from the brand Lottie London. It's the Arch Rival Brow Artist Retractable Brow Pencil in medium. There's really honestly nothing too special about it. I like the way that it performs, and I just like the price point of it. So you have the classic retractable like precise point on one side, and then the spoolie. The color is just perfect, and I don't know, it's just, clearly it's good because I've repurchased it multiple times, so yeah. My brow pencil. Okay, now moving on, all the items that I purchased are from the brand CATRICE. Whenever I shop on Ulta, I always like to click the little tab that says new arrivals, and I kind of just filter through, and I was just wanting to try kind of more drugstore price ranged products, and I've tried one or two things from CATRICE in the past, but recently they expanded their line and there was just a ton of new products, so I just picked up quite a few products that just kind of caught my interest. So first up, this was really the one that stuck out the most. This is the Light Correcting Primer Serum in the shade Candlelight. I'm pretty sure this was only one shade, but right when I saw this online, it just instantly made me think of the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. I don't know if they're going to be similar at all. Let's see, it says shake well, so it is like a dropper applicator, and it just looks like a really pretty kind of like milky type of color. It's pretty runny. Okay, just kidding. This is going to be nothing like the Becca one. So just to put a side by side, the CATRICE one is definitely really liquidy. Whoops. And then the Becca is more of kind of like more of a lotion. Wow. Actually, in the light, that gives a really pretty glow. So this side was the Becca. Maybe those are actually pretty similar. I mean, the formula is different, but like the effect that it gives, I'm really excited about this CATRICE one. And it just kind of like dried down to like a really smooth, satiny type of feel. I think I'm gonna use this tomorrow. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, next I got this Retouch Brightening Concealer. It says 18-hour moisturizing. My under eyes need all the moisture they can get. Whenever I first clicked it, I was like, why aren't there other shades available? Then I realized it's a corrective concealer, or like color correcting concealer. This one is in the shade Lavender, but it said it's supposed to help with like dullness and yellow tones. There we go. I do like that it's a brush tip. Ooh, I think that's really going to help to brighten my under eyes, especially right here. I always get like these darker spots. So it's more of like a pink lavender hue, and you can definitely like build it up. Obviously you don't want it that opaque, but wow. So far so good. I'm like really excited to try these products tomorrow. Next up, this one caught my interest. This is the Prime and Fine Makeup Transformer Drops. Actually, now that I think about it, I thought I ordered 2 of these. So there was 4 different types. There was this waterproof one, a wake up call, I think, wake up effect, something like that, lightening and darkening. I swore I ordered the darkening ones. Maybe I forgot to actually add it to my cart, but since I've been tanning, a lot of my foundations are like a little bit too light right now, so I'm always having to go in with like one deeper shade and go in, but I thought it'd be nice to have like an actual product that isn't a foundation to go in and mix in. I know the Body Shop makes some that are like droppers. Let me know if y'all have tried those and if those are good or not, but I picked up this one in waterproof because I thought it would be good in the summer, since here it gets like humid as balls. Sometimes you get sweaty and gross. I'm not really looking for anything to go like swimming in makeup in, but just to help with sweat, I thought it'd be interesting to see if this actually works. Next up, I picked up this highlighter stick. This is the Strobe to Glow highlighter stick in the shade 30 Ultra Golden Galaxy. Actually, I already did swatch this one because I was curious to see if I picked the right color or not. It's just this chubby stick. I haven't used it on my face yet, but this color, I done did good. Look at this. Isn't that so pretty? I always love like a really nice golden highlighter. Ooh, that is shiny and pretty. So yeah, if you're looking for an easy way to apply body highlighter, heck, I'm still gonna be using this on my face. I mean, this is the way to go in. You basically just use like a chubby crayon all over. Next up, I picked up a cream eyeshadow because I thought this would be really easy to use, especially while having lash extensions on like really easy days if I don't wanna go in with, like today I'm not wearing any eyeshadow, but if I wanted some shimmer on there, I thought an option like this would be very handy. This is the Aqua Fresh Highlighting Eyeshadow. There was maybe 2 or 3 shades, I think, of this one. I picked up mine in 20 Luminous Sensation, and inside it kind of looks like a very subtle like pinky bronze shade. The packaging reminds me a lot of the Maybelline Color Tattoos. I didn't realize it was going to be like, it's more of like, can you see that? Like a jello-y putty texture, and I shoved my finger in there. I thought it was going to be more of like an actual cream shadow. Wow, this feels really cool. Oh, I don't know if this will set well on the eyes, but I mean, even if you use this more on your face, this is so pretty. I feel like I picked so many great things. I'm so excited. It says water-based highlighting eyeshadow with bouncy texture and metallic effect. Long lasting. You know what? Let me go ahead and put another thin layer, like how much I would put on my eyes. And we'll just let it sit there for a while I finish up this haul. That way we can see if it actually like sits and sets into place or if it's going to be something that stays wet. Next up, I picked up an eyeliner. My Physicians Formula eyeliner and my Kat Von D one are both like completely dried out. So I really want to try out a new eyeliner since I was already picking up all these other items. This one caught my eye. This is the 16-hour 𝗟𝗚𝗠𝗠 Super Black Liner Waterproof. That was a word that caught my eyes. I have the wateriest eyes ever. It's like the inner corners and outer corners. And whenever my eyes water, I swear like the moisture goes upwards instead of coming down like typical tears. Like what's happening? It's like my lashes get wet and then everything gets wet and it's just a disaster. So this is a felt tip. It does have a nice point. Let's see if it's like super flexible or it has like a good bend to it. It's not too firm and it's not too wiggly, but check out how black that is. I'm gonna let that set too and we'll go back and kind of like smudge my finger across it and see what happens. And then the very final product I have here is a ultra matte liquid lip powder. What is with like the lip powder lately? Doesn't NYX have something out that's called something similar? So I got mine in, of course, kind of like a dusty rose nude. It just says ultra matte liquid intense color pigments. Something about the packaging just drew me in. It's just short and squatty looking. You do have like a doe foot applicator. And there's like a very, very subtle vanilla scent, like very, very subtle. Let's go ahead and swatch this and see. Oh, the color looks nice though. That's what it looks like. Okay, I feel like I've given the eyeshadow and the eyeliner long enough time, but I can already tell you, see how it's already peeling upward right there? So I don't know how this would be for eyeshadow. I mean, even on my hand, it's already kind of cracking. But let's see, I'm just going to go in and, oh, it did set though. I mean, it's not moving. It's not really transferring. So maybe if I went in and patted like a super, super thin layer, that little piece just chunked off. That may have been like a thicker area though, because everywhere else where I applied it like more thinly and spread out, it's staying in place. That color is so pretty. I'm so excited. Okay, and then here is the waterproof eyeliner. I'm just gonna smudge it. I don't know if that's waterproof because that is smudging around everywhere. Well, that's disappointing because that was super black. Obviously, I'm still going to test it out on my eyes. But I mean, typically when something says waterproof, you can go in and like smudge it like crazy and it still kind of stays into place. But I guess we'll just have to see how it applies to the eyes. So there is my Ulta haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you picked up anything new and exciting from Ulta, or if there's something that you just feel is like a staple for you that nobody ever talks about. And definitely share with the class down below, because I think we're all pretty much always looking for like the new and like best thing out there, or just like hidden gems. But yeah, that is it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to hit that thumbs up button, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye.